Hello, Creed Frags 34 here. Just kidding, Rise Frags 34. Used to be my name, so Mr. Creed called me and said let's get rid of that name. But guys, this is Les Royals exclusive line. Of course, it is my signature scent. I wanted to just do a quick unboxing for you guys. Sorry, it's a little tough with one hand. Here it is. This is, of course, 75 milliliters. I do have a 2010 8.4 bottle. Still comes with all the paperwork, of course. How beautiful that bottle is. Gorgeous. So there it is. Creed Spice and Wood. So I just wanted to get one. I do have a little bit of news on my next video about this one. So thank you guys for always watching, but gorgeous bottle. Creed Spice and Wood. My signature scent. Really enjoy this one. Thanks for watching as always.